Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into D-Link settings step by step clearly. To access your D-Link router settings, start by connecting your device to the router. This can be done either through a wired Ethernet connection or via Wi-Fi. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the default IP address for D-Link routers, which is usually 192.168.0. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the D-Link login page. Here, you will need to enter your username and password. For most D-Link routers, the default username is admin. The default password is also admin or may be left blank. If you changed these credentials and forgot them, you may need to reset the router. Once you have entered your login credentials, click the Login button. You should now be in the router's settings interface. From here, you can manage your network settings, including Wi-Fi credentials, security options, and more. Explore the various menus to customize your router to your needs. Remember to save any changes you make to ensure they take effect. When finished, consider logging out for security purposes. To log out, look for the Logout option, usually found in the upper right corner of the settings page. Click on it to securely exit the router's settings. Now you have successfully accessed and navigated your D-Link router settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.